Need an extra set of hands in the shop? Armor Tools' patented Camlock auto-adjust technology is built into every clamp in the lineup for easy one-handed clamping no matter which clamp you're using. This revolutionary design allows the clamp to adjust to and grip varying thicknesses without having to readjust while maintaining consistent clamping pressure. Also, the smooth Camlock technology doesn't catch or bind when switching between thicknesses, like you may experience with other auto-adjusting clamps. To adjust your clamp's pressure, simply locate the adjustment screw, usually found in the axis of the clamp, and turn the adjustment to the desired pressure. To decrease pressure, turn the screw so it threads inward. To increase pressure, turn the screw so it threads outward. Some clamps feature a locking nut in the adjustment screw to ensure your desired clamping pressure remains the same. Just tighten the nut to lock in position or loosen to change the pressure. Armor's entire line of products features auto-adjust technology to make the most efficient use of your time in the shop. Built for the builders. Arm your shop with Armor Tool.